Gisingin na lang natin.
So, anong is that? Ay, kayo lang yung nagkukulitan, kaya nagtatawanan kayo. Uy. No.
Wrong.
No.
Siguro. Hindi ko alam.
No, yes or no?
Sige. Di man pwede. Anas ko yan. Ano na lang, basin tawgon mo. Or kitara.
Sa una.
Hindi pa ito yung game.
Ang ganda mo.
Yeah, but wala pa man cure sa kanyang scenes. What?
Kinana din.
Masarap.
Ano? Basol?
Basol.
Anong basol?
Bason. Bason.
Basol.
Bason and bason.
Bason.
It's like,
What's basol?
yeah, right. Like that. Bason.
What's
Or
basol?
like, probably. Basta, it's like that. It's expression.
Like, dali-o.
Yeah, bali. Oh.
Bali-o.
Oh.
Oh, change. Oh, sige, change muna tayo. Thank you. Bali-o.
Well, see, stop now. So you
Dalawa?
shut up.
Bali-o. Bali-o.
Ang ganda mo.
Sinabi mo sana nag-chupip. Ay, makikita mo ko. Hindi. Kikita kita.
You really?
Yep.
Oh,
Joke
good.
lang.
I was trying to make it obvious, but not obvious.
Brent. Sino Brent? Sabi ko, hindi siguro si Brent.
We're going. I guess it's not necessarily like that. Levon was trying to go.
Mas nice, dili straight.
I don't think it is. I think it's more proper.
First, pag ikaw, oh no, nakalap na ko. Funny.
I was trying to make it funny.
Nakoy, NQI. NQI. Layo na kayo mong now, promise. Layo na kayo my hair and wa. Promise. No? Hindi ko kailan niya. If wala yung hair, tingnan mo. Tingnan, try. Try mo. Kung ma-imagine mo yung nag-wear tayo ng wushu na my hair.
This one, oh. Ayan. Salamat.
Oh, now I want to go to the confession room. Or storage room. 2x2?
Depende, hindi ko alam ni Kuya.
Pero hindi yung sa akin, I'm sure. Hindi nga.
Siguro.
Maybe.
But you guys are gonna do the one I read.
It's too hot.
Yeah, you're destroying my hair, man.
Ganon.
Nag-share mo, ha? Katawa lang, ha?
Anong, yun sa'yo pag-ingat ni Kuya.
I'll tell you later.
No na. What man? Straight ra lagi kini.
What the F is this?
Huwag na, mas nice yan. Ganyan, makover naman yan eh.
What the?
Bakit sa loob, kulot dito, straight na straight?
I don't know why.
Ba't ganito? What did I do? Straight na straight.
I need to go. Naka.
Mas nice tong natural.
But see, it will turn natural later in the day.
akong dun.
May comb.
Comb? My comb is like lagyo.
Okay.
Kaya Dahlia?
Bale.
Bale.
B. It's with a B.
Dahlia?
Bale, oh.
Oh, your hair.
Oh my god. Have you seen my secret? Have you seen this hair? It's only one, that's the...
Put a plastic bag in the microwave.
I'm
Put a plastic bag
So,
in the
pabain mo
microwave.
pa.
gonna make it lungs.
Eh!
It's one only. Kani. Why, ew? See, it's cool.
No, it's not. It's all the way here.
Because it's plastic.
No, it's like a necklace.
Hindi mo na pa, buto dito.
No, are you kidding me? No, I'm gonna make it into a Jedi.
What? Ano yan?
You know that?
You
Jedi.
need to go
Isintipid.
to the CR.
Braid.
You sure?
Just one. Just one, this one. Oh.
Gusto mo yan? Hindi ko gusto.
Now I can't do it? Ah, it
Huwag
sucks.
na lang.
You are so hard to live with.
Joke lang.
Well, na.
Dito.
No. Dito on sa. You need this one, huh?
Balyo.
Ano?
Balyo.
Okay na?
We will be in
Saan
Congress
gusto mo?
already? What are we bringing?
It's okay na.
Murag ni Brian no, nasunog.
It's hard.
kayo yung ikuan.
Hard.